Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today I will show you how to turn off repost feature on your Instagram page. Now, you need to know that first you need to have the latest version. So if you do not have the latest version, go to App Store, then search for Instagram or Play Store, whatever you're using. Update it. Then once you update it, you should now go and open the application on your phone, the Instagram application. Now, I want you to go to any one of these videos. As you can see here, I have the repost icon. Now go and click on your profile picture on the bottom right side. Then go and click on these three lines on the top right side. And now you should scroll down till you get here to section which is called how others can interact with you. Just go for it. Then click on sharing and reuse. And now I want you to toggle this option off. Repost on posts and reels. Just toggle this off. As you can see, I have toggled it on. Just toggle it off. And now when you go back, okay, let me do some refreshment. You shouldn't now see the repost icon, okay? Because I toggled this off. And this is how we can actually do it. I hope this video is useful to you all, guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye.